What is going on, bros? Hope all of you guys are having a good day today. Today's currently Tuesday afternoon, just got out of work, and we're gonna be working on the 720 today. Now I know we haven't done any type of motor work on it. Even though it does run, it just doesn't run properly because it's missing a lot of vacuum lines. It needs a new radiator. What else does it need? It needs a new carburetor, and we have everything, but we're just taking it easy right now. So today what we're going to be working on is plugging in all the vacuum lines that my brother got from eBay. He got like this kit. The lines are blue because he wants like the black and blue theme in his engine bay, so he got that. Hopefully he has enough material for all the lines that we need to plug in, but we'll find out right now. I do know we're not going to be able to plug in certain lines because they're bigger rubber hoses. But yeah, we're going to try to just do the small vacuum lines that are missing, and then if we figure out where all these lines go to, because I don't know where the hell they go to. I found something online, so I'm going to go by that. And hopefully it runs better after we plug some lines in. But we'll find out right now. I just got here, and I'll see you guys once I'm with the truck and all the lines. Alright, here's the Z24 motor, and there are a lot of vacuum lines missing. I just took off all the vacuum caps that it had. Some things were routed to locations they shouldn't be going to, but they did that just to have that, just to get the truck running. Let's see, so we're gonna try to connect the vacuum lines. So yeah, there's a lot of vacuum lines missing, but we're gonna follow this online instruction tutorial someone has, and we're gonna see if we could get everything hooked up, because there's a lot of lines missing. I don't even know where that one goes, and we need to go by that one at AutoZone. That one's really big. These are the lines that we got off of eBay, blue ones. Came inside of this. They're different sizes. I can put the kit in the description if you guys are interested. If you guys have a 720 like this, and it also came with a couple zip ties and little tees. So yeah, and here's a radiator that's busted, and it's cracked from here. It leaks a lot of coolant, but we'll be installing that next time. So we're gonna try to get all this together, and I'll come back with you guys. Alright, we followed the instructions. So far we got vacuum A on. Coming off of that piece from the manifold, goes all around. This is A, and then it goes underneath the air filter thing. And then it connects right underneath this on one of the plugs. So we got that down. So I'm trying to connect this one right here with this one that's inside right there that you see. That's just a little small line that connects there. And after that, I'm gonna continue with some other random line. Air update, we got a couple of hoses in already. We're working on this one, the last one that connects to the air filter pan. The original ones that were coming off this canister, this hose connection canister, was connected to the wrong hard lines originally, so we had to switch that up.
What's right here?
Which one?
This line.
Which line? That hard line?
Yeah.
Let me see. You can't take it out?
I have to take off this thing.
And goes where?
Right here.
Really? A hard line.
That's the hard line. That's the fuel tank.
You can connect it, you can take it out.
Right here. I just bent it a little bit, but...
Oh, I see. Move it?
It's bendable. Look.
Okay, and then we're gonna connect it to right there, that last one for this. There goes the fuel tank. It says in the middle. Alright, let's connect it. Alright, it's the next day, and we got a good amount done. We got all the vacuum lines off of this canister connected to something. We got all the lines underneath this air filter thing connected. These two random things that we've found out that need vacuum lines as well, we are probably just gonna cap these off, or yeah, we're just gonna cap these off. And he took off the battery just for more room. Currently we are trying, well, what we had left is this hard line right here, and we don't know where it goes at all, so we just connected it to this random port on the carburetor. Hopefully that's fine. We got this situation here. We don't know where this line goes, so we're more than likely going to be capping all the ends that we don't know where they go, capping them off and seeing how the truck runs with that. It obviously doesn't run properly because it also has a gas leak and it needs new spark plugs and wires. But yeah, a lot of people on the forum say these trucks could run properly without all these vacuum lines, except these three right here because they're important, and the fuel line that goes underneath this reservoir. There's a lot of people that do vacuum deletes, and the trucks run. Some trucks run fine, some don't. So we're gonna find out how this truck runs with the lines that we decided to cap right now. So hopefully that fixes. Well, hopefully that makes the truck run good, because right now we're getting a white fume out of the exhaust for a couple seconds, and then it stops and it smells like a lot of gas. And I've read that you can possibly have a vacuum, you can possibly have a fuel leak, and some other symptoms could be worn out spark plugs and wires. So we're gonna see by changing all that, if not today, but by changing all that, we'll stop the white fumes that come out for a couple seconds once the truck is on. So we're gonna go cap all the rest of the vacuum lines and start it up and see what happens. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, we can also get some white smoke if we don't have coolant, and if the system has some water. We do have that coolant problem, because this piece from the coolant that connects from here and it goes all the way around, and there goes this line, is broken. So when it's at operating temperatures, there's coolant coming out of here. But we got it all capped off on the things that we don't know where they go. Got this, got that capped off. Oh, and I forgot this one. I'm gonna cap that one off right now. Connect that. We have a round filter, and we're just gonna put that on and then turn the car on, see what happens. So I'll check back once we're gonna start the car on. I'm gonna put this cheap air filter for now, since we are gonna upgrade the carburetor next year. But just for now, See if it makes any difference. Everything should be good to go. So we're gonna hook this up, and then we're gonna connect the battery, and then I'll come back once we're about to start the truck on. But we're gonna start it up now. Try to start it up. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, it does sound better. Like it's not like rumbling anymore. Yeah, that.
It sounds hella better. It sounds like it's supposed to sound.
Yeah, when you try to start up originally how we bought it, it was shaking a lot, and it took a lot of tries to turn it on. Huh? See?
It just smells like gas now.
Oh shit, the white smoke is gone. Yeah, it just smells like gas still, but yeah, it started up a lot healthier this time. Yeah, and then we're starting to get the coolant because it's raising up the temperature. Oh damn, this thing could like get cut. Yeah, because yesterday, when we didn't have everything connected, this thing was shaking. Like it sounded like it was gonna die. Like now it really doesn't sound like it's dying. Like give it some gas. Hold on, hold on. Smells like fuel in here. Wait, do it again? There's something like buzzing. Oh. Go? Do it again? Again? I don't know what that is. I don't know if it was spitting like last time. There was like supposedly fuel coming out of the carburetor.
It's not spinning. This shit's fucking whack.
What?
Maybe it's this moving.
Let's see. Well, maybe.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Alright, give it, rev it. I don't know what the, wait. Rev it. Rev it. It sounds like it comes straight from the middle of the carburetor. Oh, there goes fuel that popped up. I don't know if it's because, I mean, we know this carburetor is bad because I'm pretty sure.
Oh, it's bad. The dude, that's why the dude said it was really bad.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure gas isn't supposed to pop out of here.
It's a fuel line.
Yeah. And like when you rev it, like you hear this nasty noise in here. It comes from in here.
Yeah, it's fucked. That's why I have a new one.
I'm no professional at this. This is like the first carbureted motor that I worked on. but I'm doing my research and learning more things about it. So I think that's gonna be it for the vacuum line work on this motor, because it started 10 times better. So yeah, the next thing we're gonna be doing is more than likely a new radiator.